Hey guys, it's Troy, Green Swamp Mafia again. First off, I just want to start off by saying, if you have a weak stomach, turn this video off right now. Do not watch it. Green Swamp Mafia is not responsible for the loss of your stomach content. Okay? If you have a strong stomach and you're eating, still turn this video off. Watch it later. I'm going to tell you a brief history before we go into it. So I was injured not too long ago, and part of that injury, I had a broken tooth. All right, so the tooth got abscessed. The dentist wanted $975 to drain that abscess. I asked him, what is that for? He said, most of it's for pain medicine because it's going to be very painful. So $975, that's a couple of really nice shotguns. All right, so Green Swamp Mafia, dentist style, we did it ourselves. Saved ourselves $975. You're going to see what we bought with that $975 on the next episode of Green Swamp Mafia. Dentist, Green Swamp Mafia style dentist, bitches. Nah.